Hold on. Look over this way.
No. Aye, bitch. Oh, yes. I am Hashimoto Mushimiya. I am Japanese beast. They call me Wushu Kahe. You know what Wushu Kahe mean? Wushu Kahe mean bear with balls of steel.
Does it really? Hey, Eric.
I feel like I'm wading through Rosie O'Donnell's ass.
Dig in the exhaust, though.
I ain't digging in nothing. This is like...
No. Look. I'm digging the exhaust, though.
What? Where? You
just-
should see it from this side. You're a bitch. Fuck you, you bright, shiny objects. Damn, this shit's fucking hard as hell.
Cause you fucking jacked the engine halfway out.
Hey, fuck you, bitch.
I could let it down.
No, you couldn't.
Why?
Cause
Cause
I
what?
gotten squished.
How about they fucking put that clamp halfway in the wrong direction?
How about they fucking got a hole big enough to stick your arm through in the damn flex pipe?
Maybe my arm, not your arm, though.
Shut up.
You got a fat ass arm.
You got a fat ass ugly face when I beat the ugly off you.
This is gonna be one of them video on YouTube. How the Asian takes out an engine.
I feel something a bubbling. Boy, I tell you what, I'm gonna shit my pants soon. I'm kidding. Don't put that shit on YouTube. People think I'm fucking like Robin Williams.
They're not gonna fucking know you, Eric.
Damn, I saw that giant Asian on YouTube the other day. Shit, I tell you what, I ain't never seen something so dumb in my life.